It's your boy Carlo back at it again, and in today's video I'm gonna be going over my experience doing my first open house. Did I do good? Did I do bad? We'll see. So just keep on watching. Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe down below. So let's get it. So my first open house experience, the first thing I definitely want to let all you guys know, it is a lot of work to host your open house. Definitely going through my training and learning all the ins and outs of how to open a successful open house. Like I said, there's a lot of prep work that needs to go in beforehand. So first off, you have to, if you don't already have a listing to hold an open house, you have to find one. So you'll call people through the MLS. You're going to look for vacant properties and see which ones are open to be hosted for an open house. Call that listing agent, secure the appointment. I'm available, say whatever spiel from whatever script that you use. I'm available to host it on Sunday from 12 to 4. Once you say get the okay, you're good to go. So once you secure the listing, there's a lot of footwork that needs to be done. You have to make sure you call the listing agent, that they update it on the MLS, and what other social media platforms or websites, Redfin, Trulia, Realtor.com, Instagram, Facebook, Craigslist, wherever you can market the information online to get enough exposure to and foot traffic to come through your open house. That is the main objective. The more people come in, more possible leads. So basically, holding open houses are to create and generate leads to potentially buy or sell property. Once you've done that, you have to get ready. So one day before the open house, I would say, do your research and highlight some special features. Does the kitchen have granite countertops? Do they have crown molding? Do they have nice light fixtures? Do they have tiles, marble tiles for the bathroom on the floor? Do they have, I just totally lost my thought. But you look cute though. And also you have to get all your flyers, your business cards, the snacks, water if you like providing water. And on top of that, what I did, I cold call around 50 to 100 people within the neighborhood. So basically generate that hype. So everyone within a one mile or half mile radius knows about the open house. So I cold called 150 to 100 people. On top of that, the day of the open house, I door knocked at least 50 to 100 doors to let everyone in the neighborhood. So I called them, I door knocked the neighborhood, and I also put around 15 to 20 signs up on the major streets. So there's ways to strategically place your signs. So make sure it's at main streets, and just definitely so people could find your open house really easily. And then the day of your open house, you have to set it up, stage it. You want the home to look nice and inviting, nice and light. There's like a good energy to the place. And make sure you turn on the lights, open the shutters, clean up and tidy whatever messes that are around the house. Basically, you want the people who come into the home like, ooh, this is nice, look at this place. So pretty much it's a lot of prep work, and it was a lot of work. I was really excited, and I just said a prayer. I was like, God, please just let one person come in through the door and I'll call it a success. More than one person came in, and I got around 5 to 6 good leads. And hey, what I really want to tell all the new agents out there, what you put into it is what you get out of it. So the first 2 hours of my open house was boring. It kind of sucked, and there was no one coming in. So I was at the front of the door, had the whole list of all the different numbers within the neighborhood. So I'm like, all right, hey, I'm holding the open house. You got to just put in the work, put in the time, call people, let people know. And the first 2 hours, I kept on calling for like the first 30 minutes since no one was coming. And then I had my little script book to kind of get ready for thinking of what to say, what to ask, and how to collect the information of the clients coming in. So I was luckily my wife, my lovely wife, came with me, and she helped me set up. She helped role play with me, and it's like, okay, you don't want to be that overbearing realtor that's all up in, hey, passive aggressive, baby, passive aggressive. Hello, welcome. My name is Carlo. I'm from whatever brokerage you're from. What's your name? Oh, great. Thank you for coming today. Here's a flyer. So I had my flyer. Where's my flyer? Had my flyer. Gave it to him. And then it's like, all right, feel free to check out the house. And if you have any questions, I'll be here to help you out. Let them run through. And then right before they're about to exit, post up right around the door. And then, hey, what did you think about the house? Oh, how did you find out about the open house? Do you guys live in the neighborhood? Oh, okay, are you guys actively looking for a home? Nice. Oh, so you have kids, so you would probably want 2 to 3 bedrooms? All right, I see. So let me ask you this. If you found your perfect house, what would it have to have? So, just definitely probing the questions, giving them value, letting them know that you're there to help them. And I know a lot of people say have that invitation sign-in sheet. I didn't get no sign-in sheets. So basically, I did the technique where they say you write 2 names, even if it's a fake name, because people don't want to give their information so easily if someone is the first one to do it. So I wrote 2 names and the numbers and everything, but I didn't even use my sign-in sheet. Basically, once I had my little, ran my script with the clients that came in, collected the name, the number, their email, and just whatever I remembered about them and whatever particular leads of how I could help them. Boom. So a couple of things that I want to say that I did good on my open house was basically trying to be a no pressure agent, giving them the different info specs of the property, if they had any type of questions. Got their numbers, their information, leads. So once you get the information, make sure you guys follow up. And what you put into it, you get out. The last 2 hours of the open house, I was like, all right, no one's coming in. So I went outside, and there was a lot of foot traffic of where the open house was at. And then I just started talking to people on the street, like passing by. Hey, come on in. Hey, check out the house. Oh, are you guys looking? Hey, come on, check out the house. So I would say the best bet was don't hide in the house waiting for someone to come in. Go in front of the house, and whoever's passing by, invite them in, let them know, spread the word in the community. And that was the best tip and to the success of my first open house. So I generated 5 good leads. I still got to do a couple of follow-ups, but at the end of the day, things that I could have done better is let the client talk more than you're talking. So the client should speak at least 80% of the time, and you're speaking 20% of the time. And for most of the new agents, if you're really nervous or if you're really, really excited to talk to potential clients, make sure you slow down your speech, because I know I was really, really excited and I was talking really fast. And I kept talking. I totally forgot to offer them water, snacks, and all that. And basically setting up a appointment with them. So I got the information, but I didn't set up the appointment. So hey, let me get your number. Okay, Miss Antoinette, your number is da 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 da. And email. What's the how do you spell that one? Okay. Hey, well, I'm available to meet with you in regards to finding your perfect home. I'm available next week from Monday at 4 or Tuesday at 5. Which one would work better for you? I didn't execute on that one, so I know just with time it's gonna get a lot better. I got a couple of potential clients that came in. I'm having my spiel, doing my script with them, and they're like, "Oh no, I don't want to give you my telephone number. I don't want to give you this. I don't want to give you that." So, really preparing for different objections. Oh, I have your information. It's already on the flyer. It's okay. I'll call you. So, how do you handle those objections is going to help you navigate to success. But overall, it's a lot of work, but it's a success if you make the best of it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you guys updated on my real estate journey. So here we go. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like, the subscribe. Peace.